This could be awesome.
Bye, my friends. Have fun out there.
Thank you.
So you might get wet, you might get soaked. Okay?
So I got in, but it was like 9:35. Great.
Oh, okay.
Already. So as soon as we get on, we should go back to the safari.
Yep.
And do a bit.
The lightning ones, you can just go right through.
Yeah.
She said that's a good hour, and it's like,
That's the one from the ally.
we're already here, all the way back, all the way down, all the way back. And once that thing is like, without Genie Plus, you're with them. You just walk right back to the gate. What's that?
No, there's not.
Oh yeah,
Oh, stay on us. We're in the wrong spot.
travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer, slow, and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver. Left, right, left, right. That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. This is it. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it. I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
Please gather personal.
The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Today's the day! And look how many visitors came to see us off!
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Well, why don't we tell them?
Ooh, let me. I'll tell it best because my voice is the deepest and everybody else's voice.
Listen up. These travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started...
Oh, Marlin, that blue tank named Dory. No, when they found that mask.
No, when they escaped those sharks, oh, that part's scary! Oh, no.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Dad, it's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn to get some knowledge.
Come on! Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I'm at school?
No.
Or eat a fish? Is it true they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know how sea turtles are?
Sea turtles! If I ever meet one, I'll ask him.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are our friends, Nemo! How did you see Jaws?
What?
You know what
swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. You're just a little fish in the big blue world. You'll be seen as a tasty dish. You mean so much to me. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
No need to worry, Dad, I'll be okay.
I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. We can turn right around. We can wait one more year.
Don't be so bored, Dad. I'm lonely. Wow, isn't it beautiful?
Nemo,
Come on, Dad.
hold my fin. Hold my fin.
Take a look around here. The ocean's alive. In the big blue world, it's time for you to arrive.
The zones of the open sea.
Mr. Red!
Come on aboard, explorers! Who's this?
I'm Nemo.
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. I find he gets tired. Just give him a break, 10-15 minutes. He'll be all right. Let's go, explorers! Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready? I don't think I'm ready. We're ready to go. Please be safe. First up, the drop-off. The drop-off. Yes, the drop-off.
It was there that Nemo discovered that boat.
Our dentist's boat.
What's that? Listen up and tell kids.
Yeah, come on, Nemo. My dad isn't very safe.
Nemo! No, you can't be anywhere near here! You're not ready! I was right! We'll try school again next year!
But Dad,
You know that you can't swim!
I
No,
can't.
you can't! Now come along! You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong!
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right towards that boat!
But suddenly a diver appeared.
But Nemo was gone! It's gone! It can't be gone! Has anyone seen a boat? Please! They took my son! I'm coming, Nemo.
Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat. Oh, I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you!
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
We're trying to find Nemo! You were showing me which way the boat went!
Oh, I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait! We already did this!
We did? Oh, dear.
I guess I should explain.
I've got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There's something wrong with you. Really? You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo! Hello!
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know. We were just leaving. I'd like to invite you, morsels, to a little party I'm having.
What'd you bring for us, man?
We're starting! Couple of tasty boys. Right, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not food. No, we have no shouting. We're no shots underneath. We know that fish are
free, fish are food. No, fish are bread, not food.
It is a party!
Mind your distance, though. You don't want one of them to pop.
You really clumped me there.
I'm sorry. Is your nose bleeding? No, that's good. It's a venture. I need a little touch. Why not? Go nowhere. Remember, fish are friends. Look, that's the mask of the diver who took my son. What do these markings mean? I can't read human.
That's skeptic. Oh, that's funny. It's not the same as your state.
Sure, you can read the mask. I'll go here with my sight. Hey, I'm first tonight. Reading my fish on friends. Reading my fish on friends. Reading my fish on friends. Savoy!
No food.
Woo! Well, we've made it to the best part of the story, where I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
Yeah, we didn't even have an appointment.
No, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Oh, no.
She's a fish killer.
Shakes the bed!
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Bed?
Hey, kid, you get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I have a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got him. I promise. We will all get out, as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah.
We swim in harmony.
And we started in history
With a fish Apollo and DDS. Sharkbait, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else. Together, we swim together. Little clownfish of our ticket to breaking free. And if we all join hands, everybody wins, and we'll swim together in the open sea. So what's your name, kid? Our escape plan was set.
Too bad it didn't work.
Nah, we just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
The mask. I can't believe it's gone. That mask was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Mr. Grumpy Gills, life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating? They're not going anywhere. Switch your tail and dive on in and trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, what do we do?
We swim.
No
singing.
Please, no singing.
Now that song is gonna be stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It's P-shirt and 42 wallaby wasted. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask!
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So we follow our gut. Just keep swimming, everything will be okay.
please. Oh, hey, wait, girl. Sir, please, stop. Dory, no, I didn't mean you.
Is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No, can you tell me
Look,
again?
pal, we're talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Hey, any of you ever heard of P. Sherman 42 all the way Sydney?
Sydney? Mark's one of those. Follow the EAC. That's the East Australian Carpet. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Bird, 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 missing. It's in that direction. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Hey, that little baby will float your right ass, Sydney. The big blue world out there, like a big rock, is real small. But the rest of the way is not so big at all. To Sydney! So, Marlon and Dory were headed to the EAC. If we only knew. Cause back in the tank, Nemo was losing hope. His dad was even out there at all.
Not my dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming! At that very moment, Marlon and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome. Dude, you've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and serve the icy with me. Go in the flow. Go in the Don't be a high trouble. Get back
Hey, Dad!
Listen, Mr. Turtle. Whoa, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Show your 360 squirt! Check this out! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh my goodness! You're the loader too. Why don't you take it slow? But let us see how Squirt does flying so. You said totally wrong, Squirt. of marlins' journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends.
Who told the lobsters?
Who told the swordfish?
Who told the dolphins?
Who told the albatross?
Who told the pelicans?
Who flew that news right to our windowsill? Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father really Everest is in the city harbor right now! Oh, that's my dad! I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way down, and I'm so glad. I'm not a fish in the ocean. That's my dad!
Nemo, look out!
Gil, help me!
Everybody jump in!
Not the bag!
Nemo? No! We're too late.
I'm so sorry.
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't! I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Oh, Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here. So, thank you.
Wait, stop. No one has ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please.
Nemo? Nemo!
And you are?
This is Dory! She helped me find you! I thought I lost you! I saw you, Billy!
I was just pretending, so they flushed me down the
Thank
drain.
goodness you're safe.
Dude, I don't hate you.
I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle. He's 150.
150? Wow! So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together. Then you'll tell me.
Want to make it 3?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our Hona ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Yeah!
I just love it!
What happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it's release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Yeah! Catch you later, folks. We've got a date with the Big Blue. Priority Explorers!
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come on when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. I love you, Dad.
Now go have an adventure.
Never
necessarily, but yes, the animatronic will give them the ear. Yeah. Radiating or something.
Playing with something.
Thank you.
Discovery.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. I just can't wait to be here.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you came. We can't have a celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Pumbaa!
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
Hey, you looking good. Love you, Pumbaa.
What hearts you
Twiddle, bum, bum, bibbidi, bum, bum, hey. Bum, 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 hey. Oh, come on,
About 55 inches at the shoulder. Those were female in their back. That patch of skin will become more brighter and very vibrant during mating season, almost 8 minutes at a time. Hanging out in the water during the daytime will help protect their very sensitive skin. Central AC system, helping pump blood to the tip top of their horns, and are anywhere from about 15 to 20 feet tall at full maturity. Their newborn calf are already 6 main hunter in different prides or pairs of lions. Males will stay back with any cubs, keeping a watchful eye on everybody. Pounds at full maturity. They will also have a very, very wide brim, square-shaped mouth. Their crash can be upwards of about.
Oh, they're supposed to. That's what they do for playtime.
Yeah.
I guess.
Really?
glad we got to see the actual expensive one on that other side. You can see kind of that, any reflections.
They're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads her science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly.
Standby. We're looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
Come on. You're at 2%.
You're 2%.
2%. I see my arms.
Starting system-wide diagnostics. Help us out and move around a little. Starting recalibration tests. Move around a little.
Do the cripple. Wow, what's this Jen out? Almost Jen. We're really happy today.
Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
I have
you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, great, you've all made it. It's important that you can all see me, so move a little if you can't. Before we send you into the link chamber, let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni-Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an Ikran. Let's see how this works.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including cell phones. It's important to push them all the way into the bin. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward. Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold onto the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold onto the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated and supervise your children.
Once the link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an Ikran. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
All right, you ready? Let's get you into the link chamber.
In a moment, you'll be restrained at a height of